Bonjour everyone and welcome to my new video. And the topic of this video is this beautiful pink gingham shirt. Because I wore this shirt when I was presenting another video a couple of weeks ago, I think, and you all loved it. So I thought it deserved its own video. So in this video today I will show you a number of outfits to give you ideas on how I wear this shirt and how you could wear a similar shirt. So I hope you enjoy it. So if you are new to my channel, thank you very much for watching and thank you for subscribing. I don't know if you're aware of this, but us French people, we are very fond of gingham. It is one of our favorite prints, along with stripes. So I think and we think they are very fresh. They are kind of fun. They can be worn with so many other things, and we really like the fact that they have a color and a white, because that gives a really fresh look. So please let me know if you are also very fond of gingham print, either in shirts or in dresses. Please let me know what you think. So this is our first outfit, and you can see that a gingham shirt lends itself very well to be worn with a skirt and not only trousers. So this is the first outfit out of 6, 3 with skirts and 3 with trousers. This is a beautiful white skirt, midi length, from the Ines collections at Uniqlo. I really like this look for the spring or summer, and you could also wear it very well for work. Please let me know what you think below. So for our second outfit, I teamed the pink shirt with my Bordeaux skirt, and it's a lovely pop of color look I really like. So you could wear this, for instance, for a lunch with your girlfriends, or a weekend, or even at work for a business casual dress code. It works really well. For the winter, you could wear navy or black tights, and with navy or black shoes or boots. That would go very well as well. I really like this look. Please let me know what you think. So as a jacket, I picked this navy blue jacket of mine. It's a short jacket that goes well with this look, as the skirt is above the knees. I really like to pick a dark color such as navy or black, with the red as it tones the color down. And of course for the winter it would work perfectly as well, even if you wore navy blue tights and navy blue shoes. So please let me know, what do you think of this jacket with this look? Would you wear such an outfit? What do you think? For a third outfit, I teamed my pink gingham shirt with my green wool skirt. And you can see straight away that it is a less casual look now. It looks probably more for the office or for an occasion a little bit dressier than a Bordeaux skirt in a previous outfit. Let me know what you think below. But I really like the pink and the green together. Pink and green go well together. I like it. The gingham shirt injects a touch of modern, especially to that green skirt. The green skirt is a very classic look, and the pink and the gingham of the shirt really adds a breath of fresh air to the look. Now you can see in this clip I added the jacket to the skirt, but I think that personally it does not really go together. I prefer the look without the green jacket. I can't quite put my finger on it, but I think could be the difference between the necklines. The color of the jacket is quite prominent. The pink goes well with the jacket, but it was definitely a question of maybe preference or my personal taste. So I would not wear the whole suit with that gingham shirt. Please let me know what you think below. So for our fourth outfit, we're starting on the trousers. So I think you can tell by my face on here, I absolutely love this look. This pink gingham shirt with the white jeans and a pair of nude mid-heels is a really good simple look. So I left the shirt like this untucked. You know, that gives you another look, more relaxed, but also if you had a little bit of a tummy or you wanted to hide a few lumps and bumps, this is possible. This shirt is nice, it's not too long, so it's very wearable. So now, you know, I just tucked in the front and left it loose at the back. It's also a simple look if you wanted this. And now all tucked in. Again, a very simple, easy look. You can wear this look anywhere, even in your office for casual days or casual office for a casual office dress code. This could go as well, very well. You can see that with the beige shoes, the nude shoes, the eye goes straight to the shirt and to your face. You could also wear a belt on the white jeans if you wanted to, but you have to be cautious that it does not attract the eye too much, because that will detract the eye from the shirt. Please let me know what you think about this look. Do you like it as much as I love it? Let me know below in the comments. Now I'm going to show you 3 different jackets for this look. So first of all, that short navy wool jacket. I think that navy jacket goes with so many outfits. And now that navy blue blazer. I really love that look. It's more of a preppy look, and really, you know, you can wear this kind of outfit for the office, for a weekend, for lunch somewhere. I love it for spring, for summer, even on a lovely autumn day, and why not? Again, you can see that I kept those nude shoes so as not to attract the eye in 2 different places of the outfit. Now I teamed it with my dark brown leather jacket, and of course brown and pink go well together. A lovely outfit again. It's a bit more modern, or they would call it edgy maybe. That's another really good outfit. So please let me know what you think below, and which one is your favorite, which favorite jacket for this outfit. Would you wear it, and where would you wear it? Tell me what you think. For our 5th outfit, I teamed this gorgeous jacket with a pair of dark denim jeans. So as they are skinny jeans, I do a pair of navy blue patent leather stilettos. The look works. I left the shirt untucked. It works really well, either as a décontracté look or casual look, but also you can use this look to hide a little tummy, or you know, or the lumps and bumps. It works really well. What an easy look, but it is really a fresh, modern look. You know, you change your shoes as I did in this clip here. You can see that I did nude shoes, nude sandals, and it goes well too for the summer. This is a look that is what we call in French passe-partout. So now with my navy blue blazer, again it works very, very well. Just, you know, for a different look, you can change the shoes, no problem there. The thing is to try new jackets, you know. Do you have in your wardrobe a jacket that you can wear with this look? Try it on. If it doesn't look right, don't wear it. Try to find a jacket that really goes, and you can see how such an easy look that is to put together. Highly wearable. I could wear also a belt, and I would choose a probably navy blue belt to wear, so that the only pop of color would be the gingham shirt. Now again, my short navy blue wool jacket, that goes well, of course. It was a no-brainer, that one. I like it. So please let me know what you think below. If you like this look, which jacket do you prefer? Would you wear that look? So for a 6th outfit, I am wearing a pair of black tailored trousers. These are from Breton, and with a pair of black stilettos, and for the office that would work perfectly. I really love that look, and I have worn similar looks in the office when I used to work in corporate. I really like it, and you can tell I love it. You can tell it by my smile. Yes, that's a look that works. So you can see that it's a versatile shirt. It can be worn for casual looks and also for the office. So for our next clip, I added just a simple black cardigan. This is a silk cardigan from Lily Silk. Really, it's a look that really works. Again, you know, in the office, if you are sitting under the air conditioning, it's always cool. I always used to keep a cardigan, a black cardigan in the office just in case. So this works very well. And of course, you could wear the black jacket if this was a trouser suit. So now I'm going to show you a look that I really did not like. So I picked out this grey jacket, but I really did not like it. But I wanted to show you because it's good to know the looks that do not work. It may work with a pair of grey trousers, still not sure, but definitely not with his black trousers and his shirt. No, 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 even though pink goes with grey. So please let me know what you think. So I hope you enjoyed this outfit that I've shown you. Please let me know which one is your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your many friends, and I'll speak to you very soon.